Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Noise Color Fit 2 is launched today in India, which is targeting the budget segment. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this fitness tracker. Noise Color Fit 2 is available on Amazon for Rs 1900. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the tracker itself and the model name Color Fit 2. It's IP68 waterproof and offers 24 hours heart rate measurement. At the back we have the specifications. The screen is 2.4 cm, which is 0.96 inches color display. We get the 90 mAh battery in it and it weighs 25 grams. And here you can see the MRP, which is Rs 2499. At the bottom of the box we have the features of this fitness tracker, and some of them are sleep tracking, sport mode, and also for females, this fitness tracker has the menstrual cycle tracking feature. Now let's open the box and see the content now. So here we have the fitness tracker on the top first. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get the user manual, which has a detailed guide about the features of this fitness tracker. And then we get this card, which tells you how to remove the strap and charge the device. And then we get this thank you card asking for your feedback. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the fitness tracker closely. Noise Color Fit 2 is available in 3 colors: Dusk Pink, Twilight Blue, and this one, which is the Midnight Black. This fitness tracker comes with a 0.96 inch color LCD display, which has a resolution of 160 by 80 pixels. It's not a touchscreen, however, you get this dedicated button at the bottom to go through the menu. The strap of this fitness tracker has this texture, which looks good. And the quality is also pretty good, keeping in mind the price of this fitness tracker. And you have this traditional style strap, which I prefer always over the push button straps. And to charge this fitness tracker, you will need to deattach a strap like this and then plug it into a power source. At the back we have the heart rate sensor, which supports 24 hours heart rate measurement. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, Noise Color Fit 2 is pretty good. This fitness tracker is also pretty lightweight and weighs just 25 grams. It feels really comfortable on the hand and you will not feel it wearing it while doing your day-to-day tasks. So let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. In order to turn on, you will need to plug in the module to the power source. And here you can see it is on. Before we connect it to the phone, let's go through the menu options. So here we have the watch face, which shows you the battery on the top and the time in the middle. And at the bottom we have day and date. To go through the menu of this fitness tracker, you just have to touch on this capacitive button. So first we have the step count and then we have the heart rate. Let's check the heart rate first. I have tested the heart rate sensor with the other fitness trackers and the result was same, which is actually very impressive. And after the heart rate, we have 3 sport mode which are selected and active on this fitness tracker. And you can also choose from the available 14 different modes of your choice from the companion app. And then lastly, we have the stopwatch. So that's all we have on the watch menu. Now let's pair it with our phone. In order to pair, we need the app NoiseFit Sport. And once you sign up, pairing is really easy. You just have to follow the instructions on the screen. The band is now paired with our phone. Now let's check the features of the app. So here we have the current day activities, which include step count, calories burned, and distance. And on the next page, you can see your sleep and heart rate data. You can also see the historical data by going to the details page at the bottom. On the device page, you have different settings. On the top, you will see the battery and firmware details. And here you can turn on the notifications, which includes call and messages. And you can also choose different social media apps for which you want the notification on the fitness tracker. And here is how the call notification looks like. And you can also hang up the call by long pressing on the button. Sadly, there is no option of muting the call. And now let me show you the app notification. If the notification text is bigger, you will see the notification in different pages. Now coming back to the settings, you also have the option of camera shutter mode and you can also turn on the raise to wake feature. And here is the healthcare feature, which is specially for females. And this tracker will provide some useful information which will be really helpful for females. And I'm really happy to see this feature in this budget fitness tracker. And then in the other settings, you have the option to choose the sport modes. And here are the available sport modes which you can activate on the fitness tracker. This fitness tracker also comes with the 3 watch faces, which to be honest looks pretty basic. And then you have the option here to set up the brightness. The brightness level is currently set to 5, which is the maximum. However, I feel the display is not that bright, which might be an issue using it in direct sunlight. And guys, I'll be testing this fitness tracker for a few more days, and if you want me to do a comparison or a detailed review, then do let us know in the comment section below. So to sum it up, Noise Color Fit 2 is a decent product which offers a lot of features in the budget price. This fitness tracker is a direct competition to the Mi Band 3 and the Honor Band 4. There are a few things which could be improved, such as the brightness of the LCD and the options of more watch faces. Nonetheless, this fitness tracker is pretty comfortable to use, and with the features like menstrual cycle tracking, I personally feel that this fitness tracker is value for money. And if you're looking for a fitness tracker under Rs 2000, then Noise Color Fit 2 is a good option. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise Color Fit 2 fitness tracker. Let us know if you like this fitness tracker, and also if you use a fitness tracker, which feature you use most, let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.